one trying to get born. And we'll get to see what it looks like. Look at that. He's trying. He's trying to come out.
I often assist women who struggle with urinary skin from too much wetness.
Let me out of here! Let me out of this jail!
That's my goofy husband. He's trying.
I'd like to move it.
Now these eggs were given to me, so I don't know what kind it will be. It's always a surprise. This will be egg number 5. Come on, baby. I know you. Are you going to be another Easter egger? Or Americana? It looks brown. It looks dark brown. Yeah. I think you're going to have another one. Or at least it looks dark brown. Let's turn on the... He's trying. He is just almost there. Almost there. Now he'll have to stay in this incubator for a few hours so he can dry out. You don't put him right in the brooder. You have to let him dry out. Let him get fluffy. Yeah, definitely trying.
Let me out of this jail! Let me out! Damn it, let me out! I want to go!
Looks like his wing's out in his
butt. I gotta go to the bar and get me a beer!
He's trying. I think when it dries, when the eggshell dries inside, that's when they have...
He's like, swing low, sweet chariot. Attica, let me out, let me out. Gotta get...
You might have bad legs, but God give you a gift. You better be proud you got it.
I am. Look, guys, he's trying to come out. And he's born. He's basically out. He's just taking a little break. Oops, sorry. Yeah, it's like having a workout. After a workout, you need to relax, and he's born. He is officially out. Oh, welcome to the world, sweet baby. Welcome to the world. You'll probably be another Easter egger, which I love that. Oh, look at the little eggshells. Oh. Happy birthday.